guys, Merry Christmas, or Christmas is upcoming. As you can see, my lovely tree with my hydrangeas on it, and I will be doing Christmas tree tour, but I'm trying to clear out my old videos, so I'm going to get some more of the planting and videos and that sort of thing, clean up videos out, and hopefully by next weekend, which will be December 17th, I should be doing some Christmas videos. So I'm going to be doing tree decorations, I'm going to do one tablescape and a little bit, and then I will be doing a Christmas tree tour. But for right now, let's go into the Wayback Machine back in October and look at my fall cleanup. Good morning, guys. Look what I'm working on. I'm clearing out these beds. I'm cutting everything down. I'm leaving the stuff that blooms for fall, obviously, but I'm taking the zinnias out because they were taking up a lot of space. So I did the pink sections. I left a couple that are just starting to bloom, but I did pretty much, almost all of the pink section, and I took out the gladiolas. I have to do that front section. I thought I had gotten farther. And then I'll start on the red section, which doesn't have as many, thankfully. But I just wanted to show you guys something, because I know there's a lot of talk that you should pinch your zinnias. Okay, guys, so first off, let's check out the pile of plant material that I just pulled out. Like I said, this is just from the pink section. I didn't get to the red section yet. That's a lot. And it's a lot. But right here, you guys will see right here, this is a zinnia. I clipped it at the base. Because, all these leaves are dead because of powdery mildew. The plant itself is not dead, and when I looked at some of the plants, there were no new leaves sprouting from each of the nodes. So I cut them down. They may bloom again. But this right here, I cut from the base of the plant. And as you can see, look how many branches it's got. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then once you get to the main branches, then of course this one's got 4. So at the end of the day, this is a huge plant. I did not pinch this. This branched on its own. So last year I did not pinch, and they branch. I don't think they branched as much as this. The only time I guess you would say they got pinched is when I actually cut them to make arrangements, which wasn't all that often. I think I made arrangements on maybe 2, 3 separate occasions. So, and I didn't always cut from the same plant. So is it always necessary to cut your zinnias? Apparently not. Now, I don't know if it's this variety, because this year in the pink section, I did, Luminosa Pink, and I did Raspberry Ripple. So I don't know if maybe it's just those, but I'll check the other zinnias that I find around the garden to see if they branched as much as this as well. Guys, look at this beauty. She's starting to open. I can't wait till this is fully open. This is the quarterback garden mom. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so that's a pile I did. That's a pile I did. Look at all this. There's a lot of leaves. I'm going to leave the leaves. It's not too much. They'll decay over the winter. I got to cut down these gladiolas here. Over in the green section, let me see if I can zoom in on there. That right there, that's a pile of stuff I took out of that one. So, I do like the fact that I've taken it down, because now you can see the mums. And I think next year, what I'm going to do is, number one, I'm going to stake everything, because I think the problem is, I think if I had staked everything appropriately, I would have had more space for things. I definitely am going to plant fewer zinnias because those branched out like crazy. But certain things I'm going to try cutting back like for example, with the gladiolas, I didn't cut them all the way down, but I cut them back enough that if there's other things that are fall blooming in here, you can actually see it. Because now you can see the anemones, which are right here, which you couldn't see before. And then of course there is a mum like right there that's just, it didn't grow that much because it got overshadowed. There's one that's up there that's going to bloom. So, I have to, I've got to improve my process over time. But right now I'm headed to Lowe's because I just got called and my Craftsman cart is here and I'm really excited about that. I had ordered it online and there was this huge issue ordering it online and it just wasn't shipping. So the store manager said, we'll just cancel that order online. We're gonna put it through in the store and now it's here. So I'm really excited. I cleared out the back of my car. I can't wait because I really need to get these hydrangeas in the ground this weekend. And so, step one. And I just realized I left my keys inside. So let me go get those because I can't get in my car or start it. But yeah, so let me show you what I'm going to put in the ground. These are all my hydrangeas, y'all. All of them. So I'm hoping to get started on that project as soon as possible. Okay guys, here is the box. It's all in. They put it in because I cannot lift that by myself. So I'll probably have to take it piece at a time out of the box in order to get it out of the car. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I just wanted to remind you that January 14th is going to be the next Garden Party live podcast. The topic will be Q&A on winter sewing. So I will see you guys then.